Hey, clickorlando.com. It is June 1st, first day of hurricane season, and we here at News 6 are getting you ready for it. And our friends at SERVPRO, as well as many other experts, have stopped in here to the News 6 studios to get you ready with any questions you may have going into hurricane season here. The man with the greatest name in the building right now, Vern Boatman. What a manly name. I love it, first off.
Thanks,
Nice to
appreciate
meet
that.
nice to meet you, Vern. So you're with SERVPRO, and most people love water, but you guys at SERVPRO, water is kind of, you want it out of the house.
We want it out of the house. That's we're a local family-owned business, and we take care of fire, waters, floods, whatever you have going on during the hurricane season. We go through. We have different types of equipment, meters, dehumidifiers, fans, so we pull it all out. We take it and get it out of the house as soon as possible.
So in reference to hurricanes, obviously water's blowing everywhere and getting into every crack and crevice. What have you seen after, say, Matthew or a hurricane like that?
Well, there's a lot of things that, in particular, Sandy had a lot of fires that were caused by electrical fires that started in neighborhoods and they just took off. In addition to that, people after the hurricane were using candles and things because of power being out and catching their houses on fire.
Mm-hmm.
So here you are with a house that's completely flooded, and then you use candles and you end up, burning your house down. So you want to make sure that those candles that you use are contained, short, in some type of glass vessel or something.
So we got problems on top of problems when it comes to these situations. I know one thing you